Ano nga ba yung word na success? Ano nga ba ibig sabihin nun sa atin 'no? Of course, we all want to be successful kahit minsan iba-iba yung definition na naririnig natin, we also want to be successful. Pero alam ba natin na the only one that who can say that a person is successful is the one who placed us here on earth, nagbigay sa atin ng buhay, the one who has a purpose for our lives. He is the only one who can say na this person is successful. You know what? Success is mentioned in the Bible. Ang sabing ganon is, be courageous, obey, meditate on my word, and then you will be prosperous and successful. So, ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng success? I believe na it's God who placed us here on earth, and He is the one who will pour out His grasya para na sa ganun maging successful tayo. Ang mahalaga is siya yung pinupurso natin. Siya yung nilalagay natin sa sentro ng ating buhay. At yung purpose niya ang ating pinupurso. And I would say na it's only God who can say that a person is successful. Maraming successful pero man's definition yan eh. Yung bang maraming sports car, maraming bahay, nakaka-travel, maraming definition ng success. Pero it's only God ultimately who can say na this person is successful. So the question is, are we aligned to God's success for our lives?